I am currently developing my private label product, a cast iron bread pan, and soon in 2024 I am going to launch it on Amazon in the US. I've just received a sample from the Chinese manufacturer to check the quality and overall how all of this looks like. In order to differentiate it, to make it standing out from the competitors' products, I will add a certain set of accessories that will add certain features that competitors' products don't have. I will also create my own unique design, so the one that you can see here won't be the exact product that I will be selling on Amazon. Now I will show you all the accessories that I decided to add for my product differentiation purposes. One of the accessories is the Danish whisk, which is used to efficiently mix and knead dough. Here you can see the leather case, which keeps inside all those blades that you can apply to the scoring knife, which is used to create all those patterns on the loaves. Here I've got the cover for the bread pan, and it's a very solid and massive piece of cast iron. And here's the proofing basket, which is used in bread making for the final rise. This is the dough scraper tool that is used to divide and portion the dough. It also makes it easier for you to transfer the dough from surfaces, and it can also help you at removing these sticky dough remnants from surfaces. And here's the wax paper bag that has this wax lining inside, and you can simply use it to store your sandwiches. This is the silicone brush that is used to apply liquids such as eggs or butter on the surface of your loaf to create this flavorful and glossy crust. And here's the lower part of the bread pan, and it's a very solid and heavy piece of metal. So now I am waiting for the second sample from the other manufacturer to compare them together and choose the best one. Now I will be working on the design development process, and I also need to figure out all the dimensions which are the best ones, and probably I will also need to hire someone to create the final design for me, as this probably is gonna be too much of a complicated project to do it myself. So now I'll be thinking a lot about all of this, and soon I will give you the updates.